Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily print from Dropbox on your Canon TS8351a. So first, what you guys want to do is select the Dropbox in the Canon Cloud Printing Center. Basically, the link is cs.c-ij.com. And after that, select the Dropbox after you log into your printer. And if you're not logged into Dropbox right here, there's a tutorial on our channel on how to make an account and how to connect. So after that, select print. And here I have no data that can be displayed because my Dropbox is empty. But here you will see all of your files, like the documents or PDFs that you guys can print out. So that's basically it. After you will select your paper type, the size, and if you want it one-sided or two-sided, then simply you will have the print button right at the bottom. You need to click it and then you'll be able to print something out of the Dropbox. So that'd be it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.